Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line snowman head. I'm going to go in first and just base coat my snowman and the little fluff on the top of his hat in the color Fluff actually. And this is a Dixie Belle chalk paint color. You could go in with cotton as well, but I'm out of it, so I've been using Fluff lately and I do really love it. I'm going in now with rustic red for his hat and his little bow. And then I'll go in with terracotta for his nose, and then that'll be it for base coating. So I'm going to let everything dry after that. And then I'm going to go in with like a number 12 flat and some black paint. I'm going to wipe off the majority of it. And then I'm going to go in and do some horizontal stripes and then vertical stripes over that to give kind of like a plaid look. I'm going to do the same thing on his bow tie. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. This is one of my favorite steps because it really makes everything kind of come to life. And you can kind of see everything kind of start to take shape. And I'm also using the Sharpie marker to fill in his eyes and mouth. And of course, you could go in with paint for this if you wanted to, but this marker makes it super easy. And then once I'm done outlining, I'm going to highlight my snowman in the color Sea Glass. It's a really soft blue color. And just because he's kind of like an icy snowman, I think it's cute. And then I will highlight the rest of the white, like on his hat, in the color Savannah Mist, which is just a light gray color, my favorite light gray. And then I'll highlight the rest of him in the color Fluff. I love to highlight. I feel like this is when it really just looks finished and kind of softens the whole look. But obviously, it's totally optional if you want to skip over that step. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.